Hey guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Borg, and today's video we're going to be combining two dictionaries and making it into one. It's really straightforward. It's probably going to be a really short video, so let's just get on with it. Let's call it I don't know, dictionary dict1 equals, and then we have to use squiggly brackets. Remember, because we're making dictionaries. And then don't forget we have to use apostrophes, colon, and then we have to assign it a value. So I'm going to call a x, assign it as 1, and then I'm going to bring in y and give that a value of 2. Now I need to create another dictionary because we need to merge them, of course, so I'm just going to create another one. Do this, do this, sorry, do this, do this, do this, do this, and equals 3. Sorry, not equals 3, 3. So what we've done so far is we've given value of x as 1, y as 2, and z as 3, and now these two are part of two different dictionaries. Now we're simply just going to merge these dictionaries. It's really straightforward. So yeah. So dictionary 1 dot update, and then in the brackets just put in dictionary 2. Now what this does, this dot update, well, it's clear in the name. Dot update means to update, like as in to put something new into your original, right? You're not completely getting rid of your original, you're just adding something new. So dictionary 1 dot update will let us literally update our first dictionary. So surely all the data in dictionary 2 will be transferred, or at least copied, into dictionary 1. So if we print dictionary 1 now, it should give us the entire set. So let me save and run this, and as you can see it outputs everything we have on here. Just to check again if it's working, let's add another variable here. Let's call it a, and give it 4. So save it again and run it, and there we go, it's working fine. So what it does is it combines the two of them, right, and it maintains the order. So basically it will add z and a from the end of y, because you know you're adding 1 and then you're putting all the values in 2 onto 1, so it's gonna add it. So it's gonna be x, y, z, and then a, as you can see over here. So x first, y, then z, then a. So it's in a particular order, as in the order that's there in the system, as in our program. And yeah, that's really it, guys. It's a short video, just a really simple basic program on how to combine two dictionaries. In the next video I'll try and show you how it could be useful in a possible more complicated program, let's say. And so thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and like, comment, subscribe.